Hi everyone. In my previous classes, I did so many problems about areas. Okay. In this problem, they are comparing one rectangle and square, and we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle by using the given information. See, this question they asked during the year of 2017 in RRB clerk exam. The area of the rectangle is equal to area of the square whose diagonal is 12 into 6 meters. So in this problem, diagonal of the square is given. Then area of this rectangle is equal to the area of the square of this square whose diagonal is 12 into 6 meters. So what is the diagonal of the square? Root 2 into a, that is the formula, root 2 into a. So diagonal of the square is given as 12 into 6 meters. By using that formula, we can find out the side of the square, because area of the rectangle is equal to area of the square. So root 2 into side is equal to 12 into root 6. What is the side of the square? 12 root 6 by root 2. We can expand this root 6 as root 2 into root 3. So root 2 will get cancelled. I got the answer root 12 into root 3. That is the side of the square. What is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to area of the square. So 12 root 3 into 12 root 3. I got 144 into 3 as 432 meters square. One more information is given in this problem. The difference between the length and the breadth of the rectangle is 6 meters. So I have taken L minus B is length I have taken as L, length of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle I have taken as B. So L minus B is equal to 6 meters. I got the area of the rectangle as L into B as 432 meters square. Okay, what is the formula? To find out L plus B, L plus B is equal to square root of L minus B the whole square plus 4 into LB. Because we know L minus B, we know L into B. So that only we are applying this formula to find out L plus B. What is L minus B? 6 meters. So 6 square is 4 into 432. Okay, what is that? 36 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 4s are 16, 17. Okay, I am adding these two. 1728, it's not clear here, plus 36. 4. So square root of 1764 is 42 meters. That is L plus B. But what we have to find out? We have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula? Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 42. That is 84 meters. So what is the correct option? D option. Correct option D. 84